I could hear people pitying at my condition, passing sympathetical comments.
How is your health changing? You can't walk. In which condition? How is it alive?
For 6 years, I had confined myself in a small room and did not see the sun, the moon, the sky, and the trees. I was terribly depressed. It was very difficult for me. It broke me down from inside. There was no word in the English dictionary that could explain the emotional crisis I was going through. I felt it was the end of my life. My first fracture happened when I was just 3.5 months old in my right shoulder. By the time I was 1 year old, I had suffered 3 fractures. My parents consulted orthopedic specialist. After examining me thoroughly, they said that I was suffering from a rare disease called osteogenesis imperfecta. This is an extremely rare condition and it is also called as brittle bone disease. I have already suffered more than 50 fractures till now. 50 fractures. Fractures were very unpredictable in my case. I never knew when it was going to happen, and that was the most scary part. It is difficult to accept when you live a colorful life at first, then shift to black and white. At present, all my joints are fully fixed and I cannot walk. I use an electric wheelchair to move around my home and outside. Being born in Siliguri, a city situated at the foothills of the Himalayas in West Bengal, I found my solace at Puttaparthi in Andhra Pradesh, where I am living with my family from last 16 years. For my small mundane activities, I have to ask my parents for help. Basic things like brushing, fresh-ups, drinking water, combing, dressing, I need to ask my parents. It is to such an extent that even a mosquito bites me, I remain helpless and have to call my mother to shoo it off. During summer, drops of sweat keeps on rolling down on my face and I am not able to switch on the AC as my hands could not reach up to the remote. I cannot answer any phone calls. It goes on ringing and I had to look at it helplessly. I found a virtual keyboard in my laptop which I was not aware of. Since my hands cannot reach the laptop's keyboard, I type using the virtual keyboard. Now I type quite fast that I received the prestigious Limca Book of Records for being the fastest typing using one finger by differently able guy. All my graphic designs videos are made just by using only my index finger of left hand. Now I am an international graphic designer and have proved to the world that we must never underestimate a differently able person's skill. He would create wonders that ordinary people remain awestruck. Even though I communicate with the world through my one finger, I need to wait for all my things arranged properly before I start working. My parents and brother help me with that. They are my lifelines. Sitting for a long hours at a stretch is not an easy deal, but I'm not able to sit properly because of a big lump on my left thigh. For a musician, when it's important to listen the sound, I always depend upon a hearing aid to put on my right ear, as without it, all kinds of communications become mute for me. I'm unable to hear anything with my left ear.
What happened, Sai? What happened?
Relax, Sai. Relax. I think you are searching for your identity.
It's okay, Sai. We are always with you.
You are special. We are proud of you.
Hey, let's get ready. We have a talk show today.
Yes, yes. You remember, na?
None of those were the nightmares or a part of an imaginative story from the past. Just a real life of mine, which I'm living every day, every moment. People call me celebrity, but while celebrating my life, I can't say when storm will come or sun rises after a dark night. Each and every challenge made me a warrior to fight against all odds. Life gave me two options: to spend my whole life confined to a comfort zone, or to share this journey of an unbreakable spirit with you all. Hence chose to share my journey with you all. My bones are brittle, but my heart is not broken. It is strong enough to continue this journey. Today, I have become an international graphic designer, a certified happiness coach, an author, a motivational and TEDx speaker, a singer and composer, an entrepreneur, 15 plus world record holder, wheelchair warrior of India, goodwill and global ambassador for family peace, and the founder of Happiness Unlimited. Do you think it's a happy ending? Then what about my rights, my dreams, my community? There is less encouragement of a disabled community. In day-to-day lives, I observe so many things which are not designed for us, like my surroundings. Public places are not accessible and are not having ramps, which makes my mobility limited. The battlefield is very tough. Life throws challenges at every moment. It is easy to share an inspirational tale, but no one ever tried to live 1% of my life which has seen various ups and downs but can stand apart with driving force to access all the abilities in this world. How long this word of inclusion will differentiate me from the society? How long parents will hesitate to support the special children? Are we not enough capable to be like you all? Are we not enough good looking to walk a ramp show? Each time we are trying to break the social barriers, but society is still excluding us. No proper communication, no proper ways to fly abroad, no security to live an independent life. Yet we are here to make you understand that never be judgment. You can judge my ability because I am not only specially able, I am a limited edition. तेरी वो रफ्तार हो, रुके से भी तू ना रुके, हासिल कर ऐसा शिखर, पर्वत की भी नजरे उठे, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं